A Horizon Pavilion can be the perfect addition to your property. By the pool, or simply a place to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. Best of all, you can assemble your pavilion in a matter of hours. Many people are surprised to know that the majority of the pavilions we sell are in kit form. Yes, many owners assemble their own pavilions, and we make it easy. With every pavilion kit, we supply a detailed assembly manual with full-color pictures showing every step of the procedure. You'll also see the tools needed and pictures of all parts, including hardware for easy identification. Here's a brief look into assembly. First, when you are ready to begin assembly, carefully remove the protective shrink wrap from your kit. The assembly process begins with post assembly, sliding the trim pieces onto the columns. Next, attach the header beams to the posts. All holes are pre-drilled. You'll assemble too. Once the header beams are attached to the posts, lift to an upright position. With the posts and header beam assemblies in place, lift the header beams into position and attach. The roof plates are next, followed by the rafter plates. Slide the rafters into the plates and secure. Align the double ridge piece with the top edge of the rafters and fasten. The tongue and groove roof boards are next, followed by tar paper. Carefully install the trim, and it's time for the shingles. Finally, secure the columns to a solid structure like concrete, and you're done. Congratulations! With our pavilion kit and instructions, many homeowners do these installations every day. Not only will your pavilion be the envy of your neighbors, but you'll have the pride of knowing you did it yourself. Pavilions by Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary Amish quality, and amazing value.